to me on this game, and they asking to me please making about this video and how to be complete to be this game meter depth. So guys, this is the everything more easily know, and this game name like the river rush game, 5,000, 3,000, 1,000 meters how to be complete now, because many of people sometimes not to be understand how to be complete to be this game meters. So guys, I will be give you best advice and strategy you will be like be choose, and then you will be easily complete to be this game meters, because many of people not to be understand. They asking me how much coins need required for this I will be complete now. So I will be asking you something about this game, and I will be go to on this game, and I will be completely teach to you how to complete to be this game meter depth. So guys, I be already download this game, and this game like be named River Rush game. So I will be completely explain you. Okay, I will be completely explain you how to be complete to be this game, because many people sometimes not to be understand, but depend on this game all of about on these options. Sorry, this game about depend on these options, because if you have more than coins have like you will be first of all upgrade now, because they give you more coins, and be carefully. Oh my god, you will be checking on like VMB videos of this game, and but before I will be explain you all about something about this game and how to be complete to be this game, because I will be show you if you have more like these options. I because here be not to be mentioned name, but this is the more important option for you. Sorry, these options, this is the more important option, because if you have more than this have like this time I will be purchasing like be 90. So I want to be so as you will be checking on bird is okay, no problem. Bird before will be watching one of the air, then you will be receiving more coins. First of all like the 50 above you will be purchasing this, like I will be click on this option, you checking on like the this time I will be receiving more than coins. So bird I will be purchasing again on this option, because I need to be more this maximum like the 50 to above, because if you have more so then I will be receiving more coins. Oh my god, oh shit, like becoming one of the message they disturb to me. But you never be skipping this air the option, because many of people sometimes not to be know these options about. You will be never be skipping this air option, you will be watching now, then you will be easily to be complete to be this game. Oh shit, oh my god, this is the more interesting game, because my touch not to be good working. So I really be I'm be sorry for this, and but I will be completely explain you how to be complete to be this game meters, because if you have more than these options like I will be show you this time 20, I want to be like 50 above. Again I'm be oh my god, oh ho. Again I'll be watching one of the checking out, and I will be more to be purchasing, because many of people sometimes not to be understand how to be complete to be this Oh shit. Again I will be watching one of the ads, so I will be more purchasing now. So guys, if you have more than this option, so then you will be more easily to be coins earn now. Oh, this is really be hurts me loss, but you will be always to be watching one of the ad, then you will be receiving more than coins. Oh shit, this is the more like the fastest game, and but I will be explaining you all about, and I hope you will be understand what I asking to you. Oh shit, so it's okay. Thank you so much for you watching my video. Love you guys, thank you so much.